Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your watch OS and battery so the process won't interrupt. Once done, press the digital crown to show your apps. You'll either see a grid or list. If it's a grid, press and hold any icon until they jiggle, and if you see a list, tap Edit. Make sure you're comfortable with the current layout because this is when you take control of position, folders, and visibility of apps quickly and confidently. Once icons are jiggling, press and drag an app to the spot you want. You can move it to the edge to create or change pages. If you want grouping, drop one app onto another to form a folder. This keeps related apps together and reduces clutter. If precise placement is hard on screen, make sure to use the Watch app on your iPhone for a larger view. This gives you finer control and helps you visualize the overall layout before you finish. To finalize, press the digital crown once to save positions and exit edit mode. This commits the layout to your watch. If you notice icons revert or positions didn't stick, restart the watch and make sure it's properly synced with your iPhone. Often a quick reconnect fixes glitches. If problems persist, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Reset and choose Reset Home Screen Layout as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.